Hello and welcome to MentalMMA.com. My name is James McNeil. I'll be your host for this very brief video about UFC 127. I want to make a fight prediction on BJ Penn versus Jon Fitch, and I have to do this quickly. I'm going to go through as much information as I can, but here at MentalMMA.com, we focus on being your information source for the mental game of mixed martial arts, and I do believe this fight will come down to the mental game. So here we go. Jon Fitch, he is consistent. He always delivers right at the top. He is relentless. GSP, George St. Pierre, said he's the toughest fight he's ever had, and that is really saying something. He is a complete fighter. He can beat you striking, standing, kicking. He can take you down as a wrestler. He can fight the takedown. He can do ground and pound. He can do submissions. This is a truly complete and relentless fighter. That's why he's on top. Now, he has become that great by drive and determination rather than natural skill. He probably had some athletic abilities, but this is a man who worked his way to the top and has earned every single thing he's been given. Let's talk about BJ Penn. Stellar striking. His hand speed and the power of his strikes are underestimated constantly by his opponents. They're always shocked at just how fast his hands are and how powerful they are. Stellar Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. I don't even have to talk that much about it. If you've done any research, you know that. Next, stellar takedown defense. He's almost impossible to take down. Sadly for him, he's dealing with Jon Fitch, who's almost as good. I don't want to be rude. I don't want to try and gauge these things, but I don't think he's quite as good as GSP, but he's up there. His takedowns are amazing, but he's against BJ Penn with stellar takedown defense. Next, BJ Penn has natural skill over drive and determination. I'm not saying he doesn't have drive and determination. This is a disciplined professional athlete who's worked many, many years to develop himself as well as he is. However, he started with natural skill, and that's slightly different than Jon Fitch. And as a result, or maybe that or something else, but inconsistency. BJ Penn is always great. He's always one of the all-time greats, but sometimes not as great as others. And so the question is, which one's going to show up? I believe the best version's going to show up. He was humiliated, losing his crown, the 155 championship to Frankie Edgar, and then losing again. And he's on a run. He just ran right through Matt Hughes. I don't want to be rude to Matt Hughes, but he knocked him the heck out. Okay, BJ Penn, I predict, is going to be the winner. TKO, ground and pound. I believe he's going to strike Jon Fitch, and Jon Fitch is going to go down. He's going to be attacked, pounced on by BJ Penn, ground and pound, and he might transition to a submission, but it's going to be after standing, striking, and ground and pound. First or second round, I'm guessing near the end of the first, early second. Again, this is information source for the mental game of mixed martial arts. My name again, James McNeil. Come to mentalmma.com for many, many more videos explaining everything I just said in full form. Thanks for taking this roller coaster ride with me. I'll talk to you real soon.